So this is the 2010 Alto, which is a manual one, roughly done 1 lakh kilometers. So it's a manual and it is 5-speed manual with no AC. With a good enough boot and seating for 4 adults and a kid. In the second-hand market, this one goes roughly around like 1.5 lakh. But if it's in good condition, suggest that you can pick it up because it has a very nice reliable engine and gives roughly around like 20 kilometers per liter. So Alto K10, this is not the Alto K10 but this is the Alto 1000cc. The K10 was launched after this. The 800cc Alto, which has driven almost like 1 lakh kilometers, can go upwards around like 1 lakh or 1.2 if maintained properly.